Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to our GK tutorial, Class 2, Chapter 3. In this chapter, we are going to study more about mountains and valleys. So, open page 4, Chapter 3, Mountains and Valleys. First, let me tell you more about mountains and valleys. A mountain is a large landform that rises above the surrounded land in a limited area, usually in the form of a peak. They are made up of rocks and earth. Generally, mountains are higher than 600 meters. Those less than 600 meters are called hills. Now, let us know something about valleys too. Valleys are deep areas that are caused between hills or mountains. There are different types of valleys and they are created in different ways. Most of the valleys are formed by rivers that erode or wear down soil and rock. This process takes thousands and millions of years. Now see question number 1 in your book. The same is displayed on the screen. And you have to tick the correct option if the statement is true. The picture shows a mountain. The second statement is it shows the mountain range, a line of mountains. See, examples of mountains range, the Himalayas, the Alps. B and C both are correct and I have highlighted it on the screen. Tick answer B and C. Question number 2. A cliff is a steep wall of rock. The picture shows a mountain. The picture shows a cliff. Children, what does cliff mean? A cliff is a steep rock face, especially at the edge of the sea. It is a very steep vertical or overhanging face of rock, earth or sea. If you stand on the edge of a cliff and peer over, you will be able to see the waves crashing on the rocks below. So, according to the picture, A cliff is a steep wall of rock and C, the picture shows a cliff is correct. Tick A and C in your book. Question number 3. The picture shows a firecracker. It shows a volcano. India has many volcanoes. A volcano throws out molten rocks, ash and smoke. So, do you know what is a volcano? A volcano is a mountain that opens downward to a pool of mountain rock below the surface of the earth. It is a hole in the earth. It is a hole in the earth from which the mountain or a gas erupt. So, B and D are correct. It shows the volcano. The picture shows the volcano. And a volcano throws out mountain rocks, ash and smoke. Tick answer B and D in your book. Now, question 4. See the picture displayed on the screen? The same picture is there in the book as well. Now, statement A. The picture shows a valley. B. A valley is the lowland or hills. C. India has many valleys. So, all the three are correct according to the information that I have given to you about the valley in the when I have started the video. So, I have explained about the valley earlier too. Now, question number 5. The picture shows a fountain. B. It shows rivers. C. It shows waterfalls. D. Example of waterfalls jog at Niagara. So here C and D, both the statements are correct. So I have highlighted it in purple color. Do you know what a waterfall is? A waterfall is a place in a river where water spills suddenly downward. Waterfalls are known for their beauty and power. Question number 6. See the picture? The picture shows icebergs. B. An iceberg is a huge chunk of floating ice. C. The Titanic sank after it hit the iceberg. All the 3 statements are correct. So, dear children, complete the lesson 3 in your book. Take the correct answers. All the answers I have highlighted with purple color. Okay? Thank you.